Now this one starts under a fine bliss, with happiness and a divine kiss. A loving home including 3 kids, when all was well before the sickness. But this one comes with an affliction. Consulted doctor with condition, and he found cancer in position. Now he brings dreadful premonition. Now I don't know from superstition, at times when a soul has to turn to religion. But this young woman was faced with decision, had to fight in a war of attrition. And how to cope, and how to try, and how to reach, and how to rise, and how to live with her remaining time. And how to hope for something she can't find. Never in her mind ever did it climb to a place where her will was resigned. Faith so high they could slow down time, and turn these years to an endless shrine. But this is certainly a misfit, and it sure hurts to have to heed it. Cause she don't need no one's forgiveness, she just needs something to fix this. Like waking up in a dream and finding it's quite a new scene, with a hairless head and a grief so mean, and a sense of a used reprieve, cause his wife's now frail and she's far too lean. And no one's coming to intervene, no one's sure with the cure to be received, and she is ready to be relieved. Now there's nothing left to do but breathe.